Okay sir, now I'm going to start my underhood. Make sure sir my wheel are chalk and check my CV sticker. My trailer CV sticker is valid and check for the tractor as well. My tractor CV sticker is valid. So okay sir, now I'm going to start my underhood. Start from the top sir. This is my coolant reservoir. My coolant level is good, no crack, no damage, no leakage, cap is tight. These are my windshield washer fluid. Make sure we need a 75% when we leave the yard. No crack, no damage, no leakage, cap is tight sir. This is my power steering fluid. My power steering fluid level is good, no crack, no damage, no leakage, cap is tight. This is my fuel filter. My fuel filter looks good, no crack, no damage, cap is tight. This is my dipstick. My dipstick, check the engine oil. My engine oil level is good. In case my engine oil level is low, then I can add with the help of my filter cap. This is my filter cap, cap is tight. And sir, top, this is my engine head good, no crack, no damage, no leakage. This is my radiator shroud and my radiator fan. Everything looks good, no leakage under my radiator. My all radiator fan looks good, none of fan is missing, no crack, no damage. This is my air cooler, no crack, no damage. This is my intake hose, and no bubble, no cut, no damage, both clamps are tight and secure. This is my air compressor properly mounted and secured, all the hoses are secure, no leakage, no cut, no damage. And this is my sir body frame. My body frame looks good, no crack, no damage. This is my starter. My starter properly mounted and secure sir. All my air line and my electrical line secure, no cut, no damage. This is my shock absorber. My shock absorber, my leaf spring and my U-bolt looks good, and my axle looks good, no crack, no damage. Check my steering rod. There's no plate to my steering. And my steering box, no leakage, no cut, no damage. My pitman arm, my drag link, both looks good, no crack, no damage. My cutter pen and my crown nut, both are tight and secure and present. Check my brake chamber. My brake chamber, S-cam, slack adjuster looks good, no crack, no damage. And my dust cover and my drum, there's no rock between them. Check my inside tire wall looks good, no bubble, no cut, no damage. And tire tread more than 3.2 mm. And check the outside tire wall looks good, no bubble, no cut, no damage. My rim condition looks good, no crack, no damage. Check my all lug nuts tight and secure. My hub nut tight and secure. Hub seal is private, no leakage, cap is tight. And my air ball is good, no leakage, cap is tight. Looks good, no crack, no damage. And my radiator sport looks good, no crack, no damage. And my bumper looks good, no nut and bolt missing. My headlight properly secured, all lines are secure, no cut, no damage. My inside grille looks good, and my hood strap looks good, no cut, no damage. My this side looks good sir. Now move to other side. Sir, my cabin filter looks good, properly mounted and secure. My air filter looks good, properly mounted and secure, no nut and bolt missing. Sir, my air hose and my turbo looks good. This is my exhaust sir. There is no smoke sign, properly mounted and secure. My air hose looks good, no bubble, no cut, no damage. All the clamps are tight and secure. My AC compressor and my alternator looks good, properly mounted and secure. Check my belt, no cut, no damage on my belt. My tensioner looks good, properly mounted and secure. My this side radiator shroud and my radiator fan looks good, no leakage under my radiator. None of my fan blade missing, no cut, no damage, no crack. And my air cooler this side properly mounted and secure. My this side body frame looks good, no crack, no damage. My engine heater looks good, properly mounted and secure. And my leaf spring and my U-bolt and my shock absorber looks good, and my axle looks good as well. And my brake chamber, S-cam, slack adjuster, push rod looks good. And there my dust cover and my drum looks good. There's no rock between them. Check my inside tire wall, no bubble, no cut, no bulge on it. And my tire tread more than 3.2 mm. Check my outside tire wall, no bubble, no cut, no damage. My rim condition looks good, no crack, no damage. All my lug nuts tight and secure, all my hub nut tight and secure. My air valve is tight air dried, properly mounted and secure, no nut and bolt missing. My headlight looks good, properly mounted and secure. My this side grill and my strap looks good. And my this side also check my radiator sport, properly mounted and secure. My water pump properly mounted and secure, no crack, no damage. My overall condition looks good, sir. We are done. Thank you.